So following the trail of footsteps, you can see in the snow. Thinking, oh, this is a trail. He said on the internet, it's well maintained. Well, it's half truth. I mean, apparently this is where the houses down in the valley area of whatever national park this is, I don't remember, you get their water. There's a pipe right there, and it runs all the way down through this gully, down back to the trailhead. But you can see these walls are ridiculously high. So the only way for me to go is back, but this is some snow runoff, snow melt, whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't know. It's in Texas, not the mountains. So I guess this shit should be good to drink. I don't know if I get a parasite or die, this would be why. Man, some good shit. Man, get some more. And that's right, I'm rocking in shorts. Whew. Oh, that was cold. And to think I bought water bottles when I got, yeah. Oh, fuck it. Whoa. See you guys later.